So we're looking at how to take off the rear tail light. So we need a 10mm spanner and a socket kind of thing, and we're going to get rid of this bolt here and the bolt in between there. Stay with me while we get through this. Okay, so I've taken both bolts that's here, if you can see that, and the bolt that's here on the bottom here. I've taken that out, and now the tail light should be a little bit loose, and then from here we're just gonna pry it open. Okay, to pry it open, you just basically pull onto the light in itself, and it should come out of its clip. You pull it away from the body. It's a bit of a toughie though to pull away. There we go. That's the top one coming through, and then the bottom one eases itself out as well. So just like that, easy peasy. Okay, for indicator module, I got this indicator module here. It's an 8-pin module. I got it online. I'll put a link up online anyway of where I got it from. We need that to focus, and it's not focusing right now. There we go. So there's a plug right here. When you put the light out, you see back of the light, a plug right behind the light there. So that's not the one we want. We want the one here. If you can see just behind that, if you can see that, there's about 8 pins as well. So we're gonna take that out, and we're gonna put the new flasher relay on there. Okay, so I've unplugged the plug that's there already. You can see the pins there, and you can see the pin in there. I've got the flasher relay here with me. So positive to negative, male to female kind of thing, and female to male kind of thing. Yeah, so we're just gonna pretty much plug this one to here and plug that one to there, and that should. All right, once you've got the right plug on, so that's the relay I've plugged in between there. So the relay goes to that one there, and then it goes to this one here. And then once it's on, just do a quick test before you put it back off. All right, there you go. There's the finished article there.
So it's